Good day! We are the Group 5 from Group 2 Civil Engineering Orientation. I am April Adolfo and my role is a script writer.
Hi, my name is Antolihao and I'm a researcher.
Hi, I am Jeremiah Catubig and I am the editor in this video.
Good day, I am Verna Jade Cabuenas and my role is to make the visual aid.
My name is Sheena Monares and my role is a researcher.
My name is Quibod and my role is a scriptwriter.
My name is Voltaire Ugalde and my role is making the visual aid.
Good day! Today, we explain the practice of environmental engineering. Firstly, what exactly is environmental engineering? It is a branch of engineering that deals with protecting humans from the natural elements, while also increasing the quality of the environment. However, where did environmental engineering even come from? It has actually been a practice since the start of human civilization. This is because environmental engineers deals with hygienic issues like sewage, waste disposal, clean water, and others. It is a matter of quality of life and essential human survival. In practice, environmental engineers work together with civil engineers. This is because they deal with similar types of issues including water quality management and solid waste management. As future civil engineers, we might find ourselves working closely with environmental engineers.
Now the question is, what do environmental engineers do? They are mainly concerned with environmental issues on a local and global scale. They use theories of chemistry and biology for various engineering processes. An environmental engineer's primary role is to protect public health by maintaining and improving the environment. They are in charge of developing, installing, and implementing environmental procedures. In addition, they are also tasked to research proposed environmental projects and perform scientific data analysis, quality control checks, and industrial waste water treatment. Other works of environmental engineers include reducing the costs and consequences of acid rain, global warming, ozone depletion, and harmful automobile emission.
There are a total of 8 services of environmental engineering that must be performed. First is preparing and updating environmental investigation reports. The second is to promote environmental protection such as water reclamation facilities, air pollution control systems, and converting waste to energy. The third deals with obtaining updated government plans, permits, and other licenses. Fourthly, the environmental engineer provides technical assistance for environmental cleanup projects as well as legal actions. The fifth service deals with tracking scientific data. The sixth is monitoring the progress of applied environmental programs. The seventh deals with inspecting the industrial and municipal facilities to ensure environmental regulations are followed. Lastly, the final service pertains to advising corporations and agencies on contamination control.
There are 10 main challenges in every environmental engineer's career. The first 5 are displayed here. The very first one deals with the history of environmental engineering and how it can still affect the engineer's profession today. The second one deals with the logistical differences between operating in a rural area and in an urban area. For example, urban areas may be too crowded. However, rural areas may be more prone to natural disasters like landslides. The third and the fourth one are related to improving the environment and the quality of public health, while the fifth deals with understanding the complexity of water systems.
These are the last 5 challenges. By the way, WASH means water, sanitation, and hygiene, which is every environmental engineer's goal to uphold. These last 5 challenges mainly deal with sustainability. Basically, environmental engineers have to consider the inherent non-renewability of many natural resources and how to work with that while also optimally improving human society. This is especially true in our society nowadays, where climate change and global warming are increasingly worsening.
Careers for environmental engineers. Now, some people might have the question, what future does an environmental engineer eventually have? Here are some careers for environmental engineers. The first is a water project manager. This person is responsible for monitoring water quality, analyzing water supply, and designing water distribution systems. They're also in charge of projects involving the management of water or wastewater to ensure effective water use and delivery for communities around the world. Second is the senior environmental engineer. Basically, this is the leader of the project. He or she also interacts with the local and national government to meet the requirements of the environmental project. They're also in charge of developing project goals and expectations and communicating this to the rest of the project team responsible for overseeing interactions with local, state, and environmental agencies and processing licensing for environmental projects.
Thirdly, there is the Environmental Health and Safety Director. This person's responsibilities are self-explanatory. He or she will work with companies to make sure they meet the necessary requirements for health and safety. Next, there is the Environmental Engineering Consultant. They are experts regarding topics like air, water, pollution, and conservation. They identify concerns dealing with the environment and are the people to go to for environmental programs. Lastly, there is the Green Building Engineer. These are probably the people you immediately think of when you think environmental engineer. They make resource-efficient buildings that are environment-friendly while also structurally sound and functional.